Hello everyone, my name is Valerie and I'm one of the representatives of Nutripuncture. I'm going to take you around the world to meet various Nutripuncture practitioners. It's really fascinating to understand their journey and how they introduced and practice Nutripuncture on a daily basis. Hi Antoinette, how are you?
Hello.
Thank you for welcoming us.
Yeah, thank you. Please come in.
Good morning, Antoinette.
Good morning, Valerie.
Thank you for welcoming us in your office today for the first installment of the Meet the Practitioner series that we are just launching.
Yeah, I'm really excited to be part of it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so are we. So Antoinette, you are a holistic practitioner and the founder of Inner Dynamic. You have been in the holistic health industry for the last 20 years. You've been a coach and a trainer in a various range of modalities such as informational field therapy, past life regression, but also Nutripuncture. So today we are going to discuss a little bit more about your experience with Nutripuncture and how you practice and integrate it into your daily consultation with your clients.
Yes, wonderful. I'm really happy to share.
So Antoinette, my first question will be, how long have you been using and practicing Nutripuncture?
I started to use it beginning of 2011. So first of all, I used it for myself and for my family because I prefer to try it out on myself to see what the changes are and what's possible before I then use it with my clients.
How would you describe Nutripuncture?
The body has this amazing capability to self-regulate, right? But because of the environmental, psychological and physiological stresses that we are more and more exposed to, it becomes more difficult for the body to do that. And Nutripuncture uses the synergistic power of those minute microminerals to support the body in self-regulating again. So it's not only about dealing and helping with symptoms, it's actually really about creating this internal environment for health and vitality.
Yeah, so it's like adapting to the environmental stress.
Yes. Yeah.
Go. So you said that you wanted actually to try it for yourself first before you introduce it into your practice. So can you share with us what was your first experience with Nutripuncture? How did it come about?
Yeah, it was actually quite funny because in 2010 we opened our holistic center, Gallery Helios. And of course you can imagine that, right, so the months before it has been quite stressful, so long nights and
I can imagine,
lot of anxiety and things. So on that day when you had your talk, and you were actually only a few hundred meters away from us, and I wanted to go home, but I had this really bad stomach ache, and I thought, should I go, should I not go? But then I decided, let's go. So I went, and during the talk, the presenter asked for a volunteer, and I thought it would be really nice to go home without that stomach pain, so I volunteered. And lo and behold, after 3 of these sequences, how we call them in Nutripuncture, I had no stomach pain anymore and was really impressed.
Yeah, that's pretty amazing. Yeah. I understand that it can be quite mind-blowing because it's so immediate.
Yes.
That,
yes.
It's like, what's happening?
Yeah. I should have remembered the names of these sequences.
All right, you didn't write it down.
No.
So I suppose that was the starting point of when you decided that you wanted to start practicing or at least learn the modality, right?
Yeah, I have that tendency to be very, very open and curious about new modalities and new therapies anyway. And particularly I'm interested in their philosophy and how they see a person as a whole.
Yes.
Right? And so of course that demo was very impressive. And then I thought, yeah, I wonder how this could be of benefit for my clients. So I attended the first workshop and saw how it can be applied very easily to actually really the most simplest kind of imbalances, and as well as to really deep-seated issues, right? And so, yeah, over time then I started to be more comfortable, and this is how I then introduce it to my clients. And what I really appreciate, because my work is mainly based on psychological issues, right, is that you can use it for such a variety of different problems clients come with, whether it's physical or emotional or really psychological. And that's what interests me a lot.
Yes. So you have developed a method that's called Inner Dynamics, and it combines various modalities that you have learned into an approach that you use with your clients, and you've included Nutripuncture in this method. So can you share a little bit more about what it is and how you apply Nutripuncture in it?
Yeah. So I've combined my experience of different modalities to help clients to overcome psychological, physiological blocks in their life. And the aim is really to help them find new resources that they can use to live life in a more fulfilling and upbeat way, and to also be more at ease and at peace with who they are. And I can achieve that in a reasonably short period of time, most of the time. But then there's sometimes where I sense a deeper layer underneath that still needs to be balanced so that the client can anchor that new reality much more firmly in their life. And this is where I find Nutripuncture comes in really, really handy, because it sorry it works on a cellular level, and you can work with different dynamics about relationships as well. And this then helps to get really underneath to the root,
yes,
in a much more faster way, and settles it. Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
So it's really complementary to the other tools that you use.
Yes. So I'll share an example. So for example, if you have a client who has a challenge with a parent, which is something that we probably all can relate
it's
to.
It's a very common issue.
Yeah. So at one point, the client decides, I want to do something about it, because it spoils the relationship. And then they also realize that it's actually not about the parent, but it's how they respond and how they react to the parent, right? So they go on this self-discovery journey and see a therapist or a psychologist or whatever they do, and in that process they gain more understanding, they gain a better sense of who they are in the relationship with that parent, and the relationship gets better. But there's still a possibility that the really core dynamic or the core information about that parent may not yet be balanced, even after 10 years of working on it. Yeah, and this is where Nutripuncture is so great, to simply balance that core information out and help the client to really get a sense of who they are and who actually the other person is, and be at ease and at peace.
So we could say it's like restoring an original program.
Yes, that's a very good way of saying that.
Okay. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Yeah. So you just shared an example of how you apply Nutripuncture in your practice, but could you share with us an example of life-changing experience of one of your clients? Or maybe if it's not life-changing, how it has improved or transformed their life to a certain level?
Yeah, I have a few. So now it's like, which one do I take?
That's good to know.
Yeah. Maybe, actually that was one of the first experiences that I had with a client. So I had a client who had a really big struggle in her marriage with her partner, with her husband. And she also had children, and the struggle in her marriage obviously also affected how she relates to her children. And she came to me, and I knew from the history that she actually had about 1.5 years of treatment with a psychiatrist or a psychotherapist, can't remember that anymore, and pretty regularly, sometimes 3 times a week. So she came, and after 3 months of purely working with Nutripuncture, she actually said to me, and I was so excited, that the changes that she noticed within these 3 months of working with Nutripuncture have been much more obvious and more intense and fulfilling compared to these 1.5 years with that psychotherapist. So I have to be fair. I mean, he could have easily prepared the groundwork for this now to speed up, right, and to be more palpable and visible. But it shows how fast Nutripuncture can really work. And so what happened to her was that she had better boundaries for herself. She could clearly express also what she wants in the relationship, and of course her relationship with the children improved as well. So that was one. You said one, but maybe I can share one more.
Yeah, sure, definitely. It's very interesting.
So another client of mine had a really bad eczema, and the skin was peeling and it was really red and aggressive, and after 2 sequences over 2 months it was almost gone. And it hardly ever came back. So even now, so she left to the UK, but even now, after 3-4 years or 5 years, she says, well, it comes up sometimes, but it's so mild that she doesn't really do anything. Yeah. So that was like, oh my God, why?
Yes, probably because she has worked on the core issue on the ground.
So this shows you how wide the field
applications,
is that you can work with Nutripuncture.
And it's interesting what you said about the psychotherapist, and of course the psychological work is very important, but with Nutripuncture you also work every day. By taking the sequence twice a day, you constantly work on that information, so it's also an easier way to access it rather than waiting for the next session with a psychotherapist, for example. And so it also works at a different level.
That's right. So there's just one thing that I would like to emphasize on, and that is, if you believe that just by taking a sequence everything gets sorted, that's not how it is, right? You need to have this awareness of what the dynamic is, and that's why I love combining it with the work, because I feel when you just give the client a sequence, it's like almost going like it's almost like you go to the doctor and you get a medication.
Yes.
Yeah. But when you combine that with some reflection and some deeper inner work, it's much more meaningful to the client as well to understand what's behind it and why it showed up this way.
Yes. Yeah. Totally. And also to go back to what you were just saying, it's also important to understand that depending on the issue, the results are more or less faster, but you always get to the different layers. It's really interesting. So in certain issues you can get a very fast response, and in others you may need to take 2 or 3 sequences to really access. But all the work that is done is always something that is...
Absolutely, yeah. And it's the same like if you do just simply psychotherapy or you work with regression, for example. It's not said that within one session everything is taken care of, right? So, yeah.
So, Antoinette, thank you for sharing all these very interesting facts and information. Before we part, I would like to ask you a last question. Could you share with us one very simple tip that you would recommend for using Nutripuncture?
So let's take work stress. I think we all experience that once in a while or more often.
I think a lot of people can relate to that.
And so I would recommend an association which starts with yin and yang, and then 10, 18, that's for stomach, pancreas, for work. And I would add something for the emotional quality of that stress, because stress can be, for example, related to fear, which would be 22-31. It could be related to not being able to hold your boundaries properly, which would be 35, 37, or 36, 38. And one that I come across quite often with clients is they are resentful, or they are angry, frustrated, or have a short fuse, which is then 11 and 30 for liver gallbladder.
Yes, yes.
So this is really easy because you can take it several times during the day, and it just simply helps you to keep what we call the field more in balance.
Yes. Yeah. To be a little bit more in control.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you.
You're most welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yes, it was really, really nice to be here and to hear your experience. This is something that we don't always hear from the practitioners, and I think it's very, very interesting. So,
great.
Thank you.
Awesome. I'm very happy.